Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another video, and it is that time of the month again. It is one of our favourite videos, well, definitely one of mine, and it is a good old WhiteFox boutique haul. You guys will know if you watch my channel on the regular, I do these hauls most months. WhiteFox is one of my favourite brands ever, and yeah, I thought it was about time we did an autumn winter WhiteFox haul, because obviously in the UK now we are fully into autumn weather. It is definitely getting colder, and as you guys know, I'm trying to like restock and sort my wardrobe out at the moment. So I thought I'd pick a few bits up from WhiteFox. I've got a couple of tracksuits, a jumper, I also got like a nice cozy loungewear set, some new jeans, and also a couple of basics. So I'm really excited to show you. As always, I do have a discount code with WhiteFox which will get you 15% off. It is Laura GM. I'll leave that on screen and in the description box. They also offer afterpay to US, Australian and New Zealand customers, so definitely check that out. And also they offer worldwide next day delivery, which is amazing. So anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna jump in and show you what I got, because oh my goodness, I have got some good stuff. And in typical me fashion, I've already worn quite a few of these outfits because I just can't resist. As soon as a WhiteFox parcel comes at my door, I am wanting to chuck everything on because it is just insane. Okay, where do we start? I feel like we'll start with the tracksuits, because you guys know WhiteFox tracksuits are just my absolute favourite. Honestly, there are no better tracksuits in my opinion, and come autumn winter, I'm 100% a comfy tracksuit kind of gal. There's nothing better. So yeah, if you haven't checked out the tracksuits on WhiteFox, you need to, because they just have so many different colours, so many different styles, and the quality is just 10 out of 10. So good. So the first one I picked up is this gorgeous grey tracksuit. I really like that it's got a little bit of red on. As you guys may have saw, red's like really in this season. I mean, not that it's not in other seasons, but yeah, I'm seeing a lot of red everywhere at the moment, and I feel like this is probably as much red as you're going to see in my wardrobe, and I just really like that. So yeah, we've got the WhiteFox logo there in like a puff print, and then also on the back we have this puff print with the WhiteFox logo too. I wear my jumpers in a size small to medium from WhiteFox and just give that like nice oversized slouchy fit. But yeah, the quality of these are just so nice, and they wash beautifully too. Of course, I got the matching tracksuit bottoms to go with, and this is what they look like. They're just grey, they have pockets, again the matching WhiteFox logo to go with the jumper. The fit of these are just so lovely. Again, I get mine in a small, and they're just quite like slouchy and comfy, you know. I don't like my tracksuits where they're like tight, and do you know what I mean? I want to be comfy in a tracksuit. So yeah, they definitely give that, so really love that. Then moving on, I also picked up this tracksuit. I'm not too sure what colour this is, but I feel like I'm gonna say it's like a light khaki. I feel like on the website they didn't describe it in that colour, so yeah, I'll obviously leave which exact one this is in the description box. But yeah, to the eye it's definitely like a light khaki-ish shade, and it's beautiful, just like perfect for autumn. It's the perfect autumn colour. Again, this is the jumper. We have the WhiteFox text here, and also on the back again, which I really like. I just think that detailing is so nice. Again, size small to medium, and likewise I got the bottoms to go with, and again we have these really nice pockets on the bottom, the logo to match, and again I got these in a size small. So that is tracksuit number 2. 2 new tracksuits to my autumn winter wardrobe. Like I say, I have already worn them. I actually wore the jumper to the airport when I went to Portugal the other day. They're just the best. Moving on to the next thing I got from WhiteFox, and I actually picked up a knitted jumper, so something a little bit different. But I just thought this was so nice. I'm trying to build up my knitwear collection in my wardrobe because I don't really have too many like knitted pieces. And yeah, I just really like this because it's in like a nice charcoal colour. It's got the WhiteFox logo embroidered in the centre. It's a nice weight to it. It feels real nice quality, and I feel like this would look especially nice with like a black pair of jeans, some trainers. So yeah, really like that. Okay, the lighting is much better now. I've waited an hour, have just chucked my hair up in the meantime because it was just annoying me in the ponytail. So carrying on with the haul, next thing I picked up from WhiteFox was another coordinate set. It's kind of like just a loungewear chill set, you know, when you're just cold and want something super cozy and warm on. And yeah, it's another knitwear piece as well. So first things first, I picked up these wide leg trousers. Like I said, they're just in a real nice fine ribbed knit fabric. They have zips on the bottom, which are really nice. They also are elasticated around the waist, and then to go with that we have this super slouchy jumper. This is in a size small to medium again, so it's just got that nice oversized fit. It's got like a quarter zip on it, and yeah, this, I mean, obviously this is going to look gorgeous as a set, but I feel like equally I'll probably get a lot of wear out of this jumper on its own as well. So yeah, I really like that. Then next up, I picked up 2 pairs of jeans from WhiteFox. Now, I've actually already put these on my Instagram, and I've had so many questions about where these jeans are from, so now I finally have the answer for you. They're from WhiteFox, and oh my goodness, I took the tag out again, so I can't tell you the style off the top of my head, but of course, the direct link for these will be in the description box. But they're both in the same style. The ones in black I'm actually wearing now, and honestly they're just my favourite. Obviously you'll see in the try on how I style them up, but they're just essentially a nice straight wide leg pair of jeans. They are the perfect length. Like, I don't like jeans that are short, I like them to be quite long. They're just perfect. They just fit so nice. Honestly, I really rate WhiteFox jeans. Whenever I wear jeans, everyone's always like, where are your jeans from? And I'll be honest, a lot of my jeans are from WhiteFox, because I just find the fit so nice in WhiteFox jeans. I wear a size small for reference. I feel like jeans can be really hard to like get the perfect fit with, but yeah, like I say, if you're after some nice jeans, definitely check out WhiteFox. So I love the jeans that much that, like I said, I got them in the same style in 2 different colours, so black, and then I also got this wash of denim. Like, it'd be really nice for autumn winter, and yeah, these are stunning. Next up, I thought I'd pick up a faux leather jacket. You guys know I've got a thing for faux leather jackets. I own a lot admittedly, but this is a different style. This is more of a bomber. Yeah, it's actually called bomber. Make Things Right PU bomber jacket, size small to medium. So this is what it looks like. It's got a collar on, it's elasticated at the bottom. I don't know, I just really liked how this was styled on the website, and yeah, I have a thing for faux leather jackets. I just love the versatility of them. I feel like they're my go-to. I feel like not only do I wear them with jeans, but I also chuck them over like joggers, leggings, and yeah, I just wanted something that was a little bit different, so I thought I would go for this, and yeah, really like that. Then we move on to some more kind of like chill loungewear type thing, and it's a fleece. This is the well-known fleece jacket, size small to medium. Got this in charcoal, and again, I just thought this would be perfect for autumn when I want just chill days. Like, honestly, my everyday attire really is just kind of like leggings, trainers, a jumper, or we have a fleece, which I think will look really nice. I just like to be comfortable day to day. I'm not that person that walks around like really dressed up to the nines. Like, do you know when you see fashion girls and they just look so like well styled and dressed every single day? Like, don't get me wrong, I love dressing like that, but if it's just a day where I'm going shopping and running errands, I don't know, I just like to feel comfortable. Does anyone else relate? So yeah, things like this with me are just perfect for day to day when I want to be super comfy. And like I say, I think as well this would just be nice to wear around the house. It has WhiteFox just here, just a very subtle logo and branding on it. It has pockets, it zips up, it also has elastic at the bottom. I feel like this with just a pair of black leggings, some trainers, crossbody bag, will just be a gorgeous outfit. Then moving on to the last few things I picked up from WhiteFox, I just simply got some basics. You guys know I'm really trying to just expand my basics in my wardrobe. As I've already mentioned, I feel like when you just have basic tops and, you know, like basic jeans, outfits really do become a lot more simpler to throw on and put together. So if you haven't already checked out WhiteFox basics, they have so many nice bits, and also they're just such good quality. So I just got some long sleeve tops. I feel like these will be perfect for autumn. I already have one of these in black, so I thought I would get a brown and white because you just can't go wrong. So these are called the Only Fit a Night long sleeve top. So like I say, I got one in white, so this is in size small. It feels so beautiful. Softness in the fabric of these is perfect for day to day. So got a white one, also a brown, which I think will be so nice for autumn. And then the last thing I picked up was just a pair of WhiteFox socks. I always love wearing socks like this with a pair of leggings and then, like I say, like a nice oversized jumper. And yeah, I didn't realise that WhiteFox actually do their own socks like this, so I thought I'd get them, you know, be all like branded. They actually feel so soft and nice as well. Ooh, do you like on the ankle? They feel like almost padded. So yeah, I thought I'd get some of those socks for my chilled, laid-back outfits. But anyway, guys, that is everything I picked up from WhiteFox this month. I really hope you've enjoyed this haul. Let me know what your favourite pieces were. As always, I'll leave everything linked in the description, and also I'll leave my discount code on screen and there for you as well. Thank you so much for watching. As always, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new here, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!